In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Geico auto policy. We'll take an easy to follow approach, and I'll provide you with all the guidance you need to ensure that the process is straightforward and efficient. To start, it's important to highlight that one of the most reliable ways to cancel your Geico auto policy is by giving them a call. This method is not only recommended, but also allows for any immediate questions or concerns to be addressed directly with a human representative. Ensuring that all your details are correctly processed, begin by dialing Geico's customer service at 1-800-841-100587. As you wait for a representative, remember that being polite yet clear about your intention will aid the process. Once you're connected, clearly state your purpose. You want to cancel your auto policy. It's crucial to express this intention right at the start to set the direction for the conversation. Make sure you have certain details ready before making the call. First, they'll ask for your policy number. Having this at hand speeds things up considerably. Next, they'll need the full name and address that's on file with Geico. Double check these details beforehand to avoid any potential mix-ups. Lastly, you'll need to specify the effective date you want the cancellation to start. It's advisable to have decided this date in advance, ensuring it aligns with any changes in circumstances, such as selling your car or moving. During the call, the representative may inquire about your reasons for canceling your policy. You might choose to let them know if you've sold your car, are switching insurers, or are moving to a different area. While this is not mandatory information, responding candidly can help provide context for your decision, possibly leading to an easier conversation. Now, an important step you'll want to take is to confirm all the details of your cancellation. Pay attention as they repeat back the information to ensure accuracy. It's also a good idea to request a confirmation email that summarizes your cancellation details. Having documentation like this can be beneficial for your records and gives you peace of mind knowing the cancellation is processed. While you can call Geico almost any day of the week, the best time to reach them is Mondays through Fridays, between 8 a.m. and 9 p.m. local time. This is when their offices are open and fully staffed, making it more likely you'll experience shorter wait times and receive the most efficient service possible. Canceling your Geico auto policy over the phone can be a smooth experience if you're prepared. I hope this guide has cleared up any uncertainties and you're all set to proceed with confidence. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have found this information both useful and reassuring.